Oh, there's plenty of chairs, Jill. We've got spare chairs here. Gotta get out of the sun. You get out of the sun.
Huh?
You get out of the sun.
Yeah, this is.
Alright, Mojo.
Well, I am
Do
doing
your thing. Take care of mommy.
When I quit doing it and going, okay, I can't, I start letting everybody do it.
Then you can't do it.
Can't do it.
Oh, thank you.
I might jump on the ground when I come back, but you'll have
That's okay. I'll be sad. I won't notice.
off for you.
I know. That's. Yeah, I know. Everyone seems to be.
What
We
levels?
just pick them up and keep moving. We don't
Yeah.
have to do again.
What level's riding at the moment?
Intermediate A.
Hey, right.
So that's Jill.
No, that's Heather.
Oh, that's
Oh,
Heather.
Heather is writing.
I'm
Sorry.
Jill.
You're Jill. That's right.
Heather's riding Mojo.
She actually riding her own horse.
Yay!
I know.
Come on, Moji.
You had a great ride on him, by the way, Jill.
Thank you. I'm thrilled to death.
Oh, don't waste that little water, Rennie.
Very nice, Moji.
Yeah.
That went not.
This is the happiest chihuahua I've ever seen in my life.
Is that Ninja?
Yes. Hi, Ninja Girl. Ninja Pooper. Just makes the rounds. Does whatever. Oh, yeah. Just check it out. Yeah.
Checking out this kingdom.
I know it. Oh, yeah. And that is the fittest.
God, I'm glad we're not carrying that bloody heavy thing.
Good job. Way to go with the team.
Yeah, it's full length. It's 10 minutes.
I couldn't get you on WhatsApp.
Okay, let me bring my phone over. Let's see what I'm doing.
Yep.
wrong.
That's why I can't send. Well, I only have one video to show you. Send you now. Which is your dress.
Oh, good Lord. I deliberately tried to avoid that from happening. Unsuccessfully. God, my horse is more talented than I am. So there are a couple different blends?
Yeah.
So, okay.
That's what the single looks like. Yeah. Enter your name. and optional.
Okay, I did that last night.
Did you?
Yeah, but I'll
Okay.
do it again.
Do it again. Oh, there you are.
Okay, and I even added a photo.
Right.
Just pick something. Here,
Yep.
I'll go with that one today.
Yep.
Choose. Done.
Done.
Jill, did you
Done.
write A or B?
Novice A.
Novice. You wrote novice A.
Yes, ma'am.
Top in the-
And she's writing intermediate A.
This one right here, start messaging? No.
Yeah.
Oh.
No kidding.